Floor Leader Cecily Aldabel magidal Senator Sal Ngartiang pokwa Asmerel Tial ngi amom 10 day rel al for the regular session ergid rel al 11 constitutional government del mora order. Clerk roll call.
Senator Regis Agitaya.
Oy.
Senator Rukubay Kikuwo Inabo.
Oy.
Senator Jonathan Shoy Saal. Senator Stevenson J. Quarte.
Oy.
Senator T.J. Imrur Mangsao.
Oy.
Senator Mark Werbelau Rudim.
Oy.
Senator Umi Sangabaw.
Oy.
Senator Kazuki Eltap Sungino.
Oy.
Senator Andrew Tabalwal.
Oy.
Senator Mason Ngirebangal Whips.
Oy.
Floor Leader Cecily Aldabel.
Oy.
Vice President Karay Maryur. President Hokon Spaules.
Oy.
Mr. President, tanganya quorum.
Maria Corum bodon tira Florida gida Senator Aldabel bol ngutigay gida raurele da Senator Mariura excused ya Senator Isala ngar omrolel mildi o pangida raurela. Florida.
Mr. President, mutamal lumil itasil sa merao marbek el Senator el Presidente Alcils the mesa already de Mr. President mada the borsel item 4 and ngaringi mada borsel item 5 ngaringi sel email communication na President Telmay the notra press communication 11-99 ityang transmitter executive order number 465 niya mo affirm na national policy for state-owned enterprise governance. Direk kalabang tiang direk executive order 466 niya ko mo reorganize sa Ministry of Health and Human Services. Direk kalabang tial communication presidential proclamation number 21-308 tiang mo declare October 23, 2021 mo January 23, 2022 as Red Ribbon Month and establishing November 25 to December 10 as White Ribbon Month, during which law enforcement officers lead the fight against alcohol and drug abuse. Red Ribbon Months shall be recognized alongside with White Ribbon Months, which is the campaign to end violence against women and children. Communication na Office of President Telmay bodomes sa ngira will lembro ko nga dolmol morsel di ka nga 6 ma 7 ma 8 the other morsel standing committee report Mr. President may kuntira short recess.
Sida motion namdung second ma short recess. Magandang ya session ergid el mora order. Floor Leader.
Mr. President, though the mall already continue Mr. President ngania esel communication namay clock to tulel dungulo le agenda gid may clear motion bolsa eda suspend the rules at the place ra the communication appropriate part ra calendar mo miscellaneous communication 11-278
Sida motion namdung second tirger rogul gongel du oy. Omtok. Ramay.
Sala Presidente Don Mol magada Marcel Standing Committee report of Standing Committee reports ngani sel nga calendar and the kora kadam reach a consensus mo differing mo will differ sa gid standing committee report 11-65 girela Senate bill 11-44 ST1.
Sida motion namdung eseng nel differential standing committee report 11-65. Tirger roguil kongel do oy. Omtok. Namoisay. Floor leader.
Kadamalmal Mr. President, Madam Orson next item di ka special committee reports. The body Yulmora order of the day. Di ka unfinished business. Madabora bill calendar. Dabora bill calendar and di ka first reading, second reading ang Cecil Bleda differing il bill. Direct madabora third reading. The third reading makmubal pass third and final reading as Senate Bill 11-26.
Sida motion namdung eseng magun tirak clear gumal iwat title.
Senate Bill Number 11-26, a bill for an act to amend Section 103 of Title II of the Palau National Code to require the President to submit nominations for ministers within 60 days of assuming office or within 60 days of a cabinet vacancy arising during any point in a presidential term for any reason, to clarify that all ministers must be reconfirmed by the Senate of East Olbiak Lulau, to amend Section 104 of Title II of the Palau National Code to provide that all ambassadors must be reconfirmed by the Senate of East Olbiak Lulau, to amend Section 121 of Title 32 to require the Postmaster General to be confirmed by the Senate of East Olbiak Lulau. Lulastul Molla, Amalod, Section 103, Title 2, Palau National Code, el mo require a President, el odurokli ang klela mo minister al sela okol maklabsay, la lungua obis, malunang al sela 60 days, selba awa obis ra minister. Mo katakli marokul minister sa mo reconfirm dara Senate, rabek kalolbi ra klulaw. Malo dara Section 104, Title 2, Palau National Code, el uli marokul ambassador sa girir al reconfirm, ra Senate rabek kalolbi ra klulaw. Malodra Section 121 at Title 32, el require a Postmaster General, el mo confirm by the Senate rabek lulbira klulaw. Makukpe birangod el balgul. Yaluldasun molla, aluldarsia Senator Umi Sangabaw, Senator Regis Agitaya, Senator Kazuki Eltap Sungino, Senator Stevenson J. Cuarte, Senator Andrew Tabalwal, Senate Vice President Karay Marior.
Floor leader.
Mr. President, tega aksyon ti albil nga niya floor amendment offering niya Senator Umi Iscabaw kalya motion adapt ti al floor amendment. Dan tira introduce a floor amendment ng oras modi.
Senator Sangabaw.
Sale, Presidenta, te alle ungil ni tasil sil marabek kal senators. Mr. Presidenta, sila daw rirtel undasal mo la ang direkal koram lob lakatak rayel discussion ng gidra sila beltaw dra committee report ma second reading. Kasi may bolsa be edel consider remove igel kuk self-reference mora time frame. Sel kasi Presidente bolsa be el oduro kliangak either ang minister, ang ambassador, malubang ang postmaster within a time frame. Sige dal to na time frame Mr. President ablol ngania ungil aldado kadire kal mo masal paseng giredam sa lela president mo dingin mo iya cabinet ringi loba ora sel guk process niya ulturingi bol sabi el lo dar sangak guk mena senate bol sel act niya senate Mr. President. Matya even though 2 pages Mr. President hindi mo reflect gigil part at bill el reference ay gigil quasi time frame. Sige Mr. President tadi gede bel lomsodel tal for amendment yak malon kita support ra ulal el gigil tal amendment. Sulara tal.
Senator Corte.
Sula Presidenta tal maluni tasil sumarul adakti
the technical, the Borsel, page 1 or line 4. Ngari sige del right after vacancy ngari award del ARIS kung dasang lagi del ngari iring adi technical sulong.
Kaya solmi ka kami tel giril tel amendment. Diak. Diak apa kami magdabo senkyo. Okay. Trigger rogul gonger tial floor amendment tel du oy. Tok. Namay floor leader. Senator Isal.
Page 2, line 3 ang amendment.
Short recess.
Mr. President,
Del Mora order. Floor leader.
Mr. President, may motion ang pass of Senate Bill 11-26 rather than final reading, Lobangel Cell floor amendment.
Sumang di kaya diskusyon ko mo senkyo. Di kaya nge. Clear ka mga roll call.
Senator Reggie Sagitaya. Senator Rubay Kikuo Inabo.
Oy.
Senator Jonathan Shoy Saal.
oy.
Senator Stevenson J. Quarte.
Oy.
Senator T.J. Imru Ramangsaw.
Oy.
Senator Mark U. Erbelau Rudim.
Oy.
Senator Umi Sangabaw.
Oy.
Senator Kazuki L. Tap Sungino.
Oy.
Senator Andrew Tabalwal.
Oy.
Senator Mason Ngirebang Alwips.
Oy.
Floor Leader Cecilil Aldabel.
Oy.
President Hokon Spaules.
Oy.
Mr. President, 12 yes, edekano.
Teluldas sulmolla anam nga ong edel lomgivel el 12 yes ediakano. Senator Isal.
Say, mga ST1, di naka ST1, ngir siya ang alawlawan, tiya ST1, din alabladong sila amin. Okay.
Short recess. Ang session del Mora order. Floor leader.
Mr. President, kada tilkan other reading, the Borsel next bill, move will pass other and final reading, Senate Bill 11-35.
Sida motion namdung second ma clear gam iwa title.
Senate Bill Number 11-35, a bill for an act to require the National Healthcare Financing Governing Committee to undertake a study analyzing the feasibility of including catastrophic coverage and coverage for hemodialysis under Palau Health Insurance, to amend 34 PNC subsection 333 to require the Medical Referral Committee to conduct comprehensive medical audits biannually and for other related purposes. Taluldasan mola amo require a National Healthcare Financing Governing Committee. El mokutmakli omsu will analyze the feasibility el mokuldimukra catastrophic mahemodialysis coverage el ngar la Palau Health Insurance. Momalod Ratori 4 PNC, subsection 333, el mo require a Medical Referral Committee, el mo conduct a comprehensive medical audits biannually, makuk bebi rangod el balgul. Tialuldasun wala, Aluldersia, Senator Stevenson J. Quarte, Senator Jonathan Shoy Saal, Senator Kazuki L. Tap Sungino, at Senator Andrew Tabalwal.
Resolve megakament. Diak. Clear ka mga roll call.
Senator Regis Agitaya,
Oy.
Senator Rukbay Kikuwo Inabo,
Oy.
Senator Jonathan Shoy Saal,
Oy.
Senator Stevenson J. Quarte,
Oy.
Senator TJ Imrur Mangsaw,
Oy.
Senator Mark Uerbelau Rudim,
Oy.
Senator Umi Sangabaw,
Oy.
Senator Kazuki L. Tap Sungino,
Oy.
Senator Andrew Tabalwal,
Oy.
Senator Mason Gireabang Whips,
Oy.
Floor Leader Cecilil Aldabel,
Oy.
President Hocon Paules.
Oy.
Mr. President, thank you to LBS. Decano.
Tialuldasun mola al ngia Senate Bill 11-35 am la mga raw lubong lom ngiwel el 12S di kano. Floor leader.
Mr. President, kada malmol ngaraf third reading, makmubal pass rather than final reading, Senate Bill 11-39 ST1.
Sila motion namdung second na clear ka iwat title.
Senate Bill number 11-39 SD1. A bill for an act to amend chapters 1, 3, and 5 of Title 40 of the Palau National Code to establish stringent requirements for the oversight and management of the National Treasury, to enhance and establish budget reserve funds, and to enhance debt management procedures and for related purposes. Yaluldasun wala, amalod are chapters 1, 3, 5, Title 40, la Palau National Code, and mormul opting requirements ra oversight ma management la National Treasury, mo enhance makatpi budget reserve funds, malisi at takora debt management procedures, makukpe birangot albalgul. Yaluldasun wala, aluldersia Presidenta Senate by request.
Senator Aldabel.
Well, Mr. President, era the take action at yal bilim nga niya floor amendment offering niya Senator Quarte, makmubal adapt ra floor amendment offering niya Quarte.
Sila motion namdung second ma kuntira Senator Quarte bols el sodisel amendment Senator Quarte.
Sulang Presidente muktirtel amendment outer clisel sel wayal clisel tarayel urel olbira lulaw el bodo tingar sel club leon o tu club leon o temela la sel longay melbadas ya ongerul ngar engel akmul wase ma olbira lula tangar alela mo meda udod e o mal sra am trebelaw el momru laureor rabuay mal ubeng mangada bel sel labuay seguido el olbira lula Mr. President alingilo olbira lula ngulo tergakli presidente lo se yo tergakli tial el ngara le gora imam mo se bem tov lo va ser clisi el mo osi gaudod el girela o manga del blals ma lo ben ngol sera am traveler belau blagtakle presidente ndim la ringia di tel gibel additional mortegi del guk pesela lo asendi adaitorio mo se bel ngu seguido clisi gukngul msatra malubang alad seguide Mr. President al amendment se gorawaya olbira lol macreos tasabil ngu se klisi ngul msa daitorio rablu belau endi daitorio de as ngul msang angodala se amendment sulang
Discussion. Diak. Tirger rogul gonger tial floor amendment du oy. Tok. Ramay. Floor leader.
Mr. President, main motion na pass rather in final reading sa Senate Bill 11-39 ST1 labangger sa floor amendment to legal adapting.
Clear ka mga roll call.
Senator Regis Agitaya,
Oy.
Senator Rubai Kikuwo Inabo,
Oy.
Senator Jonathan Shoy Sal,
Oy.
Senator Stevenson J. Quarte,
Oy.
Senator T.J. Imru Ramangsaw,
Oy.
Senator Mark Erbelau Rudim, Senator Umi Sangabaw,
Oy.
Senator Kazuki Eltap Sungino,
Oy.
Senator Andrew Tabalwal,
Oy.
Senator Mason Girebang Whips, Floor Leader Cecilil Aldabel,
Oy.
President Hocon Paules,
Oy.
Senator Mason Girebang Whips,
Oy.
Mr. President, thank you at 12 yes, Tiakano.
Senkyol girel tel Senate Bill 11-39 ST1 at 12 yes, edi kano. Floor leader.
Mr. President, kami kunti short recess.
Short recess. Order. Floor leader.
Mr. President, kadamlar of recess, kora amne reach a consensus ngani sel last bill ngara third reading. Kada kora wal ngani adirga expecting il amendment. Imno dia kasi elmat mok ma me kaya motion bols edel defer sa del bill gukmura later session.
Sina motion second el defersel Senate Bill 11-46 ST1 tirger rogul gongil du hoy. Tok. So defer. Floor leader.
Laise Mr. President, kadam la rogira bill calendar git. The borsel 12 resolution calendar and dia kangaringi 13 ma 14 dia kangaringi the bora 15 ma the note miscellaneous communication 11-274 tiang amla ramis timarong el mora Senate President Baules el girela COFA Trust Fund Investment Report quarter ended September 2021 direct ngania miscellaneous communication 11-275 etiam nara Mr. Isaac el mora Senator Isal el girela request for LRO and BLS employee listing direct ngania miscellaneous communication 11-75 etiam nara Chamber of Commerce and Mercal Senate President Baules el girela UN Pacific Regional Anti-Corruption Project. Direct ngania miscellaneous communication 11-77 tiamlara PNCC el Mercal Senate President Paules el guk girela fiscal year 2022 Palau Communications Corporation budget. Ngani sa lulbong el miscellaneous communication 11-78 tiang amlara Attorney Johnson Toribio el mera Senator Jonathan Isal el girel sel bill number 11-44 el comment el girel sa girel bill gigide Mr. President miscellaneous communication no se el receiver al session module morsel 16 miscellaneous business mabastrate el senators el maya miscellaneous business ati
Senator Isal.
Mr. President, ako may setel Mr. Communication nara ko favor to trustees el mercado Mosquito report end of the quarter of September 30, 2021. Malgora interesting la saying namoro since 1994 may lang trust fund rigid me 70 million na amlamu grow mo payurni as of the end of September 2021 amle ngara 317,738,000 madrangel disel mal kora utabangal lo ul ngarsia sen mutual interest ringi since inception since mo invested $70 million me ngani blood withdraw ngani blood lose ngani blood again in more going back since October 1st 1994 and while 8.8% talwal rate of return ngayon, way below 12.5 na original compact. Bang General Giret los pera ungil do lo bangalam rigel Giret tel pesel el do gela economic assistant rigid mo expire 2024 magumdaseng ese Congress pato bangala President Laurel so clay el support ringil girela improvement at trust fund rigid sel podosatra compact review sulang
Mariangod. Senator Udim.
Sorry, Mr. President, malingin itasin se. Mr. President, the information granted traulor ablay magim ado ama Senate Vice President Mr. Mario Sada idar girela aurere la committee ma report ma schedule the draft. Li le squadro mukat Mr. President la segel meldong ra recess granted telaurior. Raigel style guide ra 1981 mutra along tri matarol bilan. Ya unda sing macro tutel Mr. President to maintain a standard of reporting. Other sisial das mo sisial mo tegan tibol awana rules. Malibeng gimera the way we deliberate malibeng the report. Ang mo widra atetelauror matero paran meruriu la mo modak la betiga igal ku tetelauror ra el alta. Di so status Mr. President to assessel draft girelo bangela report. Ang sila rules rigid la long tri mata. Waigel meldong staff rigid la Mr. Regel aseng ra 1981 melang. Ingedro lo base gid mo sisiwa a standard ra rede mo malag me with mar adra la gid malag bol mo with edrekal for the record ra blur belang mo ngira a posterity tablam sula Mr. President
Sulang Senator Udim akti akble ada dong ama Senator Mario Ratutau el discuss el girel tegi de floor leader mang lagire del multirak segi del rules tablara sera 1981 en melang ya ko adom besaurior en dim le discretion ra whether lima alexe multirak sel lul de suela house el DBA sel cook rules tablaima gire del go back to that until such time el gida accept sel cook planwa house mendiada doru laurele del lul tirakra sel blalgangeria house el wayang od isel gukrults ra senator el altaim glad gire del modadura adralla ma Alex mutumru laurel lol tirakrasegi del rules ra 1981 en melara mul mutur sel time el gida ko ngir sel rules el house agu blamus pere Senator Inabo
Senate President, adome sa rules and procedures ra Senate, page 17, masada ikakidele tetele la referral and reading of bills. Masada igel wasaya avila girel pass 3 times. Edri waseng masada committee report. Blagatak was a copy of its bill is proposed for passage. Committee report agirel should be delivered to the clerk. Mangirel numbering Hindi kaldulo saya committee report ang nga committee report. Le suma committee report a reporter sel bill me pasra first reading. Hindi kaldulo saya committee report ng banggel sa idal bill. Hindi malblaktak lo siya committee report should be acted upon separately from the bills. Maul mga ra different section ra del order of business ra a calendar gid. Mang akum da swing direct sa petal the clarifier tegid rules of procedures of gid ba say sing kung nga tetelel. Malbol sa pel direct blaktak la. Ling sira recess ya ako kwan ra clear ka masadra ako tra tetelel ma adra la ako masadra tetelel ngungi la bol blak tak rules mal bodro kulur tirak ra ngiling kurati akal ngadi akal blak tak lang sel do ngui wette gid rules of procedures sulangi president.
Okay, gulit tergid roguin bodo misrengi mang require amendment and discussion un ila discussion ngi adik cloud to trail adol tirak ser rule sergidel ra seral bol ngaring il melmutre la 1981 el mela tol tirak segid digid sel gegida urigan ma election lo kakabos au daswir le election ol tirak adral awederly el tamle deviator sel la algida al ula senate yale urigan amal sadar al ula senate ay gigida differential tir ng cloud to trail do tir klesel ula senate senatorial
Guk another issue na sakal mention ngira kotol mo wesra Mr. News nga kan di tira imo. Mr. President gansen nga kal lek mo wesel Mr. News number 11-5-13. Itang aler hedra Palau Chamber of Commerce Mergidel. Miss Olgrila Miss Lila Yano, Secretary of Chamber of Commerce, Amlu Sumergao, El Girela UN Pacific Regional Anti-Corruption Project. Makaliya kasi, tiyal UN, ngorelo bangkila government terbelao, ngorelo bangkila wat Chamber of Commerce, Marwanan, and ngaraman tiya kaligita, Ministry of State or Samparia.
I say
Tira belum semergit tentang Chamber of Commerce kita kelihatan tatasan nam isik tak tol jangan giret lusis berhasil. Aku ramal international mortal anti-corruption and code of conduct and dia spectra invitation ngara patra governmental may.
Minister of Justice is right.
There you go. Chamber of Commerce ang kalimsat at kora siobay, at kora kasino, at kora larari.
I say Chamber of Commerce, the Chamber of Anti-Corruption.
Kabo apa to mesengiyak. Kami kira first agiret to da mingil pa bilingel mura atra Chamber of Commerce la si. Please do what you're supposed to do. Ika ngara duties and responsibilities kami malum article of corporation malum bylaws kami. Tikala nga yaw do ngil ba ilay na kabaliment til lalu. Sula.
I say okay, kita madengel wase Senate ngaring kami til iringi mang tiagid subject tagumesen malfol under kami tira JGA. Mang agulgit tra chairman na JGA ma siya ba bilngem mora at amredra Chamber of Commerce question ra aure atretele laureor di nga kamalumral wasi wat tiagid subject amne girela Minister of Justice el blue silmera a Senate makada assign ng ilegor ka unding way al
Lagitra adeli at Senator Tabluan lagi mot makal mura Miss Olgri.
elang talman la economic rablur velo makada umral wasi girela Chamber of Commerce ngar segidel luldas floor leader.
Mr. President, musupesak aksakal mutal nga atensyon ng gitan borsel sa igidel le mention nga ta karudim la la style guide ma procedure ay garabil. Mr. President, akum daso se egire la igal tablo bla matmag decide ra awan el style guide del both following len gidtial elagi dawad gi seguir el dirección ngak na singedo tira karsel dimna style guide del dos peringi seguida akum das en gira del malmol nos peringi ma house mendire el gira del malmol nos perselen seguida los isul style guide hable el adapter nga igal tablo bla el logio a joint resolution
I see.
Understanding nga ka kung nasa sil nanya adral ara house guk le propose segi the wal draft el maluben chances el mortial segi the style guide really resolution el joint resolution a house amle adapter ngi en disene tamno de el adapter ngi man technically a house wal tirak guide el dimlakal ngeri ngal tablol blay mangira del continue ngar segi del muut el guide until such time igual tablo bla adapta segi del book mob es el guide del both following makumnas Mr. President en cloud to trail consultra speaker bodo ka ngek na sega magara resolve tiam bolse del mre del rulilen mo continue create a problem leng those pertial existing guide ya house ako ko special ko plel adapter ngil ko team ne tirmang mo create a confusion mo na sang tutorial da mre del correct ngi
Okay. Bolo I see. Akti olgite Florida como kodong Alex mga igidele ebesel adrala almei exportil wache ko multira kertial ula senet dia multira adrala rak mungere bomoru laurel mongod artial ula senet. Senator Rudim.
President Aman Masaule, President Taktiko Bakti Mutal Librapa, Asele Press Cam 11-99, a reference and more Executive Order number 465 pertaining to state-owned enterprises. Mr. President, this wakal di share information na tiangal ligara Executive Order number 373 in South State-owned enterprise. Mung di wakal di submit ngin mara information na rulad. Ra kuklere ramle then Senator Yowet Trevillon le question ra ACLCL Executive Order 373 manglil siya wabiran mora then President takal Senator President Mangasaw ra March 2016 maktiun sakro ya President magdiwol de sa monitoring more reklado di mo question siya gito igo EO 373 lemle moktiga silbabir akmul wa sa egal SOE api NCC ma PPUC ma egal al-ada ngalinga ulung aldoro giwal la arbelaw mamne point ro logor ni wasa egal executive order da aswel supersede la gal SOE for information much well ko le sagal sel appropriate committee to review email sumang derga ko ganya question president telbal kat sum akin mongi sula Mr. President.
Okay, with that gulitra chairman na JGA ma pomo Mr. Senator Isal manexel demite mo ay sergide Senator Sangabaw.
President, sarat alle undertal miscellaneous Maria Gora personal experience ngal so kal sharing el umarang el altame akora mrutial bligem lo trura national development panga man long sel contract lo bangela national development panga president el kwasengal inspector nga hara ngi actually dia kaloriol meranga ngadi basically mail email serela inspection nging mora igel faces ra payment mo sabe elawanggal al actually release of payment tel mora contractor yaro gultal malel tel bla basically nga ka assume mangak asugum tiang atob dra loan nga ka hara ngi yet tinggal ada oriol diagal kwasatya liability ngil guk lo mes lo ba mada mal sum ngariam talamal ngire lo riol subada kaya akum das sing talgibel makmal gol waise Mr. President ngarang gil tablol bilil ngara la to da talula ngara gel respective committee raw mang sel gil bornga gel tele guk madu gel bange de dirgal bod revisit taigaling akum das set tagida dirgal malu ulum abang ka koram lamo ngarsel model di loan out yung auto dele de kal salom kareo kaset talblaing wangara quality ringi edi electra payment maul trigal homeowners ako team di mo mereka warranty to start to repair ability matadiri ka harar tial loan ma pay expenses sa ako year repairs Mr. President tamang akmalamol malakor tiang lang kumanak maseng gire labang kal dire kal mo o ngariya ngar alil gire tiang ale tial blaya wala kal peringin kal homeowner engo ingire lungi la quality ringil sebel ko klamu to lotrul mo natara seguida ulo akmal mention tiang dire kal betokar constituent sergide Mr. President dire kal mlamo ko trur tiagi del gora a problem te dire kal malongi tangi sergide mak mania sengane gi del bills mabol sa edalo uriore mo kong edalo tal uriole bangel legal bang kal maral mo mas akra de bela Mr. President sulang nati al
Sulang Senator Sabaw, Senator Inabo.
Mr. President, takdir kal racer tara issue gire like al home loans. Yung ngani bebira homeowners al mal struggle al gire al time. Since ngani sa iyo del bill al hunda sa ngara kamitira floor leader al dape el dire kal bol consider tel mang ilang etangnya adal ngua loaner bli mrura bli let's say ngua loaner 60,000 mo umkot ora bli mang tial loaner in 60,000 na 1% 20 years long katering and then dire kal nganya pre-development loan al bangkap loan offer mang tungu se usually tungu se it loan al do se pre-development el way algora ako ka rule assume nga napliri pera trigel engineers mo o tsekartel sume ngartir ma o gora rumulay gigidel et yabang ka treat ringi way al separate loan tomgator ngi na se pre-development usually let's say 10,000 3 years a term ringi let's say 6% interest ringi mang gal adal merurabli lawal pay tablo loan per seguid el pre-development loan per seguid el housing loan ma ta ontrira wasi sab el tial loan abliril di mo imo loan malakal pay tablo loan malgurak Clol financial burden mortir sel sumata pea tablo loan maktir kal malongital wasable sabela chairman na kamitil dire kal mo consider segidel karira pang kalgil segid dralil wasang makarang at ralil mo part tel housing loan tibol one loan al peringiya ang kal other marurabli sulangi Mr. President.
Okay, malungil information mga tirik lolngitra chairman mga saw makapang mumisayging concern housing. Kumlaong sel information risk kita Senator Rodim, el sel babilangila former Senator Toribio, mora former President. Mari? O dirka kamurar, other Otian diwan del bitska. Senator Cortesel angil information mo mesrengi. Dia kangut al miscellaneous Senator Sal.
Adra nababilingel a former Senator Joel Toribio, el chairman la kamittira Senate seltime la tola PPUC ma intent el executive order del questioning la señora presidenta di 1.5 page yang di mo reaffirm la policy gire la state owned enterprises walo sigidel milkat mokkat temra mga saul kukli executive order 373 mak mo maigan mo sa Allah digit kal brother kuya si kapis kumama ukligal apinur kara kal the block and then we'll share in the next session sulang
Digangot floor leader.
Hindi kaya Mr. President, the upadiul mo announcement, ngani announcement ngidil Senator.
Senator Agitaya.
Mr. President, kami tinggal energi maraming na mula mikir mga PPUC na unang na takto wal okta conference room na PPUC na malaan. Unang na wal okta na muli hili na mga PNCC mula musul niya mula o sula.
Sula. Senator Sungidong.
Sulang Mr. President ate elege Community Culture, Youth and Sports Affairs bibidra members samno niya ate eli Mr. President mitra tangakal Vice President udu sang wow senior sil programa Juvenile Justice al gura di gukmle courtesy visit mo mitrigal beslo dio sa hidrobis gura mo niya ate elam al adadu mo ngari schedule visit mortiale Department of Corrections next week Wednesday October 27 around 3 p.m. di open invitation mora ini senator sual medyo normal nagidi mo visit Rachel kuk mesa igel gora tretele Rachel maigel uspal maigel gorangal sang sela tukora juvenile justice matel arangal Rachel open invitation mora ro senator sa trigal sorry dil mitra mamra. Community Culture, Youth and Sports Affairs.
Pamlut.
Community Culture, Youth and Sports Affairs. Tel kami tirgidra.
Ilmora blila.
Di mo visit Rachel. Igel guk tokora Juvenile Justice. Magigal el-af. Guk program ra al-sela Rachel. Maigel. Mga igidin mo migra visit ra Wandori ra next week ra Wednesday. Open an invitation mura ini Senator el-sual. Joy.
Okay, po Loise. Hindi kaya ngo doon. Announcement, hindi kaya ngo doon. Ay sergidal girel sel activity mo rin Sunday. Ra koksay. Tirgel senator sel mo subir mo nga dabor rogoy. Mariangod ba? Floor leader.
Mr. President, adigya announcement the adjournment move longolit yal 10th al for regular session molungul subject to call chair.
Sida motion namdong second subject to the call next meeting ergid matirgel rogul kongel do oy. Om tok na boy